So question is what? Suppose we are having NiCN4 2 minus. This is complex ion. What will be the magnetic property and what will be the shape of this complex ion? Magnetic property and shape we will decide. If we are having a hybridization sp3, then shape will be tetrahedral, and if we are having hybridization dsp2, then we are having shape square planar. So we will have hybridization of this complex compound. Then diamagnetic or paramagnetic will be decided by the number of odd electron or even electron present in orbitals. So first we are going to discuss about the nickel. Atom number of nickel is 28. So electronic configuration of nickel will what? Then argon will 18 electron, then 3d, 4s and 4p. So 18 electron is filled, then 2 electron will filled in 4s, then it is 20, and d having 5 suborbitals, then these are 20, total 18 plus 2 20. First electron will be filled in 4s orbital, then after electron will be filled in 3d orbitals. So they are having total 18, then 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. This is the electronic configuration of nickel metal, not nickel ion. Oxidation state of nickel is 2+. We must write down the name of also this complex compound. The complex compound is tetracyanonickelate 2 ion. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Oxidation number of nickel is 2. Total Cn is -1. 4 Cn, it means -4. -4 plus 2, charge will be -2. Now we are having the we are having electronic configuration of nickel 2+. Then we have to fill only 26 electron. 2 electron will be released. That 2 electron will be released from the 4s orbitals. So Ni2+ having electronic configuration argon, then this 2 electron is released, and we are having now 26 electron. So now we are having d orbitals as it is. Total number of electron will be 26. 18, 19, 20 and this 6, then it is 26. Nickel will lose 2 electrons, so nickel will become 2+, and that 2 electron will be lost from first 4s orbitals. This is the electronic configuration of Ni2+. Now we are having complex compound NiCN4 2-. Then what will be done? So Cn is the strong ligand. This is the strong ligand. So when any metal having strong ligand and complex compound is formed, then rearrangement of electron in metal ion will done. So this electron will transfer to here if ligand is strong. So we are having the new electronic configuration of Ni2 plus will what? New electronic configuration, this electron will transfer over here. So this is the new electronic configuration of Ni2 plus when attaching with the cyanide. So this electron transfer over here, so one orbital is totally become vacant. Now 4Cn will donate 2 electron pair in each orbital. So this Cn will electron, this Cn will donate electron 4Cn. I am writing 4Cn. So first 2 electron will be filled in this orbital. Second Cn will give 2 electron over here. Third Cn will give 2 electron over here. And fourth Cn will give 2 electron over here. Now it is the structure of NiCN4. Now what will be happened? You just check which type of hybridization is done. So one d orbital is filled, one s orbital is filled, and 2p orbital is filled. So hybridization is what? Hybridization is dsp2. Hybridization in NiCN4 minus having dsp2 hybridization, then shape of this one will what? Okay, square planar. So this is the scene after forming hybridization of NiCN4, and we are having property, magnetic property. You all know that no electron remains single. Property will what? And no single electron remain. Property will what? It is diamagnetic or paramagnetic. You just decide. So here is not any odd electron seen after the hybridization of total this complex compound. So value of Bohr magneton will be 0. It is clear. You just try to understand. You have to write down the total atom number of nickel and electronic configuration. Nickel 2 plus 2 electron will lost, and this will electronic configuration. If strong ligand is attached to nickel, then rearrangement of electron will be done. One total orbital will become vacant. 4Cn will donate 2 electron pair. Donating electron pair is decided by cross, and this is decided by arrow. This is the method to show donating electron pair in orbital. Now we will discuss another same coordination number 4 example, and we are having different hybridization. Let's see. Second example. Same, we are going to discuss NiCl4 2 minus. Name of this one is what? Tetrachlorido nickelate 2 ion. Here coordination number is 4. So what will happen? What will be the shape of this complex compound? Again we have to write down the electronic configuration of nickel. Nickel is 28. We will fill that 28 electron. Argon 18. Then 3d, 4s and 4p. So 18 electron filled in argon, 4s 2 electron, then it is 20, and again same discussion, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. Now in this complex compound oxidation of nickel is 2, so we are having 2 nickel 2 plus electronic configuration argon 18, 2 electron will be lost from 4s, so electronic configuration will be here D same, 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron. This is 26 electron filled, 4p as it is. Now we are having complex compound NiCl4 2 minus. Then what will happen? Cl is the weak ligand. So rearrangement of electron will not done. Rearrangement of electron in d orbital will not done. So d orbital will remain as it is. We have to fill electrons in vacant orbitals, so 4Cl will donate 4 electron pair at where. So here is not vacant any orbitals, 2 electron will not fill in 1 these orbitals, so Cl will donate 2 electron over here, Cl donate 2 electron over here, 4Cl will come, electron donate here, electron donate here. Then what will happen? Then the hybridization is what? Then 4s and 4p. So it is p3. So it is hybridization is sp3. If it is sp3, sp3. If it is sp3, then shape will be tetrahedral. And here are 2 electron, but it is in odd form, so mu will be 2.83 bm. So it is clear. We are having 2 examples, simple. First example was NiCl4, second example was NiCl4. Cn is strong ligand, so rearrangement is done, so this d orbital will become vacant. Cl is weak ligand, so rearrangement will not done, so chlorine must give electron first to S and 3 chlorine will donate electron to P3. Hybridization will be sp3. If hybridization is sp3, then it is tetrahedral. 2 electron, odd electron is over, non-pair electron is over here, so mu will be 2.83. So very simple, very easy. You have studied topic. Kindly revise my lecture 2-3 times and try to make this complex compound electronic configuration and all these 2 times. Thank you very much.